This thing's got some weight to it.
Feels nice.
And some fight. I can see your rod tip.
Look at me.
Woo.
Really good job, Bryson. Get it in the water. Yep. Plunge them if you want. We're heading up over the top of this little ridge into what we're calling the South Lake, where we've had some good action with the walleyes, some perfectly fine pike. Bryce and I haven't caught any trophies yet, but we're hoping to change that today. All right, let's go fishing.
What?
All right, we are in our boat, got the depth finder and everything set up, and start off trolling. We've got Little Joe's. We put on worms this morning instead of the gulp, and giving that a shot. All right, fish on. Yeah, we'll see. Will you take your rod out of the net in case we need the net? Thank you. Yeah, that's a nice walleye. It might be. Yeah, that's a real healthy walleye.
Should probably measure it.
We can definitely measure it.
Oh,
22. There we go. Thank you, bud. Nice way to start the day. All right, we just released that 22-incher. Got Bryson re-rigged from a tangle, and we're trolling back up into the wind. It's about 18 to 20 feet here. See if we can't get another one. We need to get two for lunch today, but happy to catch those big ones too. That's what you're looking for, a 24-incher? Okay. All right. Bryson just hooked up. I think I have one playing with mine too, so there we go. Doubled up. Do you want a net for yours, or how is it? Nice one, Bryson.
yeah.
All right, let's do.
It might be easier to use the tape measure on this thing.
Yeah, you got a really good one here. This is might be too big for lunch, might be perfect. We'll see.
If it's an 18, that's really good.
Oh, let's see.
Oh, did it like eat it?
It's just fine. It just with that little hook towards the back.
Okay, so we have that.
He's just over 18 inches. All right, why don't you hold this?
Dad, your fish is fine.
Yep, I have a
Ooh, I got.
Let's let him go now. Yep. And they're both off. Come on, bud. Way to go. We got our flyby. What do you think of that? Kind of cool?
Yeah. Did you get it on camera?
I think so. All right, Bryson's got another fish on.
This one's a nice one, too. just saw this.
Yeah, don't rush it. You're doing great. Just keep it in the water. That's a real nice fish, Bryson. All right, just bring it forward to me and I'll now up just a bit. There you go. Look at that.
Woo!
That's a really nice fish, bud. Let's get some, sure, you can measure them if you want.
Yeah.
Definitely too big for lunch.
Yep.
What is that?
20 and a half.
Cool. Good job.
Whew.
Don't worry, bud. We'll get you back.
But
Here you go.
it's almost too big for him to hold. It's on.
Can you hold them out? Really nice fish there, Bryson. Really good job. All right, let's do the release.
Bye-bye, fish.
Good work. You're doing great today. There we go. Fish on. I don't think we need a net. That's probably a nice, like, what is that, about a 16, 17 inch?
If it's an 18, we might. I'd say we have enough for lunch.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Bye-bye, buddy. Pet, pet,
Yeah.
pet.
There you go.
Oh, it's one thing here.
All right.
Ooh-wee.
Should we wrap up walleye fishing for now and start trolling, aiming for pike?
Sure.
Okay.
Because I don't want to.
To snap up any trader foolish enough to pass by. His very selves. You may have noticed how he nodded his gratitude to the old warrior.
All right. Nice work.
Recognized the nod for what it was.
You're looking good.
Taking your advice and not fighting it too fast.
You're doing everything great, Bryson. Nice work. Focus on you. I'm just getting everything cleaned up and organized here. Oh yeah. Just focus on you. Don't worry about me.
It's a nice pike.
Yep, just keep it in the water. Slowly bring it over. There you go, Bryson. I think that's a new personal best for you.
If it's bigger than 32, yep.
Congratulations, son.
Yeah.
High five.
So that's nice fish.
It is a lovely fish. Really good.
How slimy is it?
It's slimy like a pike.
And it bit down on that thing.
Oh, squeeze the tail.
Can you hold it?
Yep.
And then up
Okay.
to 35.
35. There you go, bud.
Yes, PB.
All right.
Do I want to hold
You
this
do.
fish? Ooh, that's a heavy one. Whoa.
Look at me.
Woo.
Really good job, Bryson.
Can I
Let's
toss
get it in the water. Yep. Plunge them if you want.
These ships are in our harbor. Their captains are unwilling to go farther east until the situation is resolved.
Well, this works.
Oh yeah, did you have one?
As soon as I started giant.
They're down there. Alright, that's a little bigger fish.
Used to make canvas some holes to shelter the audience that they would draw, and they needed a bamboo to support the canvas. Something about the mention of bamboo and canvas stirs that arrow of thought troubling his mind over the past few days. I can see why, in this heat, he said. They retraced their steps to the town itself.
There it goes.
It's a low,
Yeah, I can net it. I think we got about another 19-incher, maybe 20, we'll see.
Hal scuffed it with his boot. He stood in the center of the track, turning to look around him. He closed his eyes and imagined it.
For those of you watching, my son and I listen to audiobooks some of the time when we're fishing. Helps keep everyone engaged. They're lucky audiobooks. Bryson catches lots more fish while listening to audiobooks. It's true, you do.
I've caught like all 7 of my personal best fish.
Yeah?
Listening to audiobooks.
There we are. Ooh, 20 and a half. There he goes. He's got a nice fish on already. I didn't even have time to bait my own hook. There you go. Just keep tension on and don't horse it. But just make sure you keep the tension, and I'll get the net ready. Nice job, Bryson. I think that's your biggest of this trip.
Bigger than 21 it is.
Oh, that's right. You've already got a real good fish. A couple of them, actually. Oh.
You want the pliers?
Nope, I'll be good without the pliers. Should we get a measurement and then some pictures with you?
Sure.
So, there we are. Just over 20. All right.
I'm shivering, so I'm not sure I should
Go for it. Okay, why don't you just smile at me at least? All right, Bryson just caught his 20, what was that, 20 and a half inch fish you got?
Yeah.
I dropped back down, already getting bit. You want the story? Okay. Lucky story coming back.
Said quietly, I've got something.
Oh, there we go. That's got some weight to it. Alright, my head camera died, so I switched over to this one. Still got what feels like a real nice fish on. There's a little bit to the side so that when I land it, they don't drop it on your rock. Thank you. Oh yeah, this one's a little thicker.
You want me to net it?
Your choice, you want to?
Sure.
Okay, get ready.
Oh, yeah, it looks nice.
A little lower in the water. There you go. Here it comes. Let's go. And in. Perfect. He did it first. Heavy weight. Oh, yeah.
I'm not gonna.
Okay. Thank you. There we go. Take 25 and a quarter. Emma, hold them up while you get some nice pictures. Oh, that's a mapper for us.
Yeah, first mapper of the trip. I got an action.
Will you take a
shot.
bunch, please? Got it? Alright. 1, 2.
I got an.
Oh, he's still feisty. He's got plenty of energy. Oh, there he goes. Alright. Thanks, man.
I
Boom.
think I got an action shot in me.
Alright. Gotta reorganize and then we'll get back to it. Alright, Bryson just hooked up. Looking good, bud? Would you like me to net it, or is it?
Most of my fish have come on the backside of the boat.
Yep.
Find out when he's ready to tell us. From simple.
There you go. Oh, that would be perfect for lunch, but we already had lunch. Nice job, Bryson. Yep. Let's grab them. All right. This fish has a little bit of weight to it. Bryson, will you take this camera, the second video, and get some pictures, please? And maybe turn off the radio or the audiobook. Look at this.
Fat fish.
Yep.
Yeah, it looks a little bigger.
Oh, we got 22, yep. Another 22. All right. Will you, There you go. Thank you. All right. We'll give you a release.
Underwater?
Sure. If you can hold on to the handle as well. Leave that one off. All right, ready? Alright, I just dropped down after releasing the 22-incher and hooked into, it feels like another good one. Bryson, would you like to get the net ready for this one?
Sure, I haven't dropped. If you land this thing, you'll have caught 2 fish before I can drop down. Looks like this thing's got some weight to it.
Feels nice.
And some fight. I can see your rod tip. That's rare. This fish.
Why don't you get the net in the ready position, please? Yep, this is a real nice one too, so here it comes. Good job, perfect work. Alright, in we go. Oh, I wonder if we just, this I think is even bigger. Oh my goodness.
To show them.
We are 25 and a quarter again.
He's bleeding.
Okay, so why don't you get some nice pictures? We'll get them back in the water. That guy went off in a hurry. Wow. This is the best walleye fishing I think I've ever had.
Ever?
Yeah, to have this many of this size and this much action.
I hope I can get one of
Pretty
them.
great.
2
All right.
mapper walleyes.
Let's re-rig and we'll set back up.
Well,
I just released our second 25 plus inch walleye for the day. Re-rigged. About to drop down. Alright, that feels like another nice fish. Not as big as the last, I don't think, but a good one. Bryson, would you mind pausing the story, please? Would you like to net or would you like me to? Okay. Thank you. Nice work, up and in. Wow, these fish are amazing here. I'm gonna guess 21 and a half to 22 and a half. You okay? Would you mind moving the net so I can do a measurement, please? Thank you. These guys do not cooperate when being measured.
do not what?
Like to cooperate when being measured.
But they're fine almost every time they ask.
We're at, what is that? 20. So many nice fish here. Alright, do you want to keep walleye fishing here and try to get yourself a 20 plus or a 25er? Or should we move on and troll for pike? Your choice.
Keep going for a little bit.
Alright, we'll re-rig and keep going. Alright, Bryce and I both got set up. Also added an extra layer as the wind is picking up. And Bryson's getting the Lucky audiobook back.
I went too far.
Eyed her for several seconds before I'm convinced this.
Alright, Bryson just hooked up.
As it flexed over the uneven ground. All in all, the lad sailor was making a considerable amount of noise.
There's the big one.
Does it?
Think about.
Let me know if you want me to net it. Yeah?
Wow. A lot went over.
Can you pick that up, please?
What?
Can you pick that up and help organize? Oh, I had a bite there.
Sorry.
Alright, can I release this guy?
Yes.
Alright, there you go, Bryson's fish. Rinse my hands off. Oh, there we go.
You want the net?
Maybe, we'll see. Might as well have it ready.
I'm still hooked on it.
Okay.
I'm trying to
Can I take a quick look?
Yeah, it's just caught.
There you go. Alright, I'm sure get ready. Nice work. Another real good fish there. Look at that. What a day we're having.
What a day you're having.
Well, we'll keep after it. One of these times it'll be you with the big one.
When it is, I'll be psyched.
I will be very psyched for you. Let's see, what are we at there?
Over 20.
What are we at?
You're at the end.
20 3/4, perfect. All right, we just wrapped up our afternoon, evening of fishing and are about to portage back to the main lake and then get to the cabin. I think if you factor in both quantity and quality, that was some of the best walleye fishing I've had. Certainly ranks up there. We had a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed it as well. If you did, please do like and subscribe. And until next time, I hope you're able to get out and get after it.